Paul is not big enough, that's why. Let's start making our way out.
Look at
Thank you for situating the meeting. There'll be a briefing after the meeting, please.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, wait now. That's a lot. I see you saying, that is why we are pursuing this. We go wait for you when you come. We'll wait for you.